Little Hinges started about 18 months ago. And basically at the start of the pandemic, it was based around the fact that to continue to sell real estate and transact property, virtual tours would be a major part of that. We're now doing hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of scans every month all around Australia. The tool itself is such a critical and an incredibly engaging piece of digital content. We worked really hard on creating a great analytics dashboard. The way that we use the API and the SDK is really to be able to enrich that view to also show the agents how people are using the space. So they can start to understand what are the interest points. So we track user behavior through the entire tour, and then we map it out to show where people have spent the most amount of time. So what sort of scan points and areas of the house have been the most popular, and then also where the most clicks have been, which gives you a really good idea of how people are walking around the space. It allowed agents to see things like where in the world or where in Australia the people who had come through the virtual tour, where they came from, which channels they came via, so that agents were able to sort of optimize their campaigns. And so that again becomes a really great conversation tool for the real estate agent to have with their vendor. Also gives them some insight when they're talking to people about the property. We can now extract these digital insights to be able to enhance what the physical experience looks like as well, and how the agent can control that narrative and conversation with those people that they're taking through.